Hello friends, welcome. I'm going to be showing you how to download a new set of classes and races and other features that we may be adding onto our campaign. So let's make a new character real quick. You can see that these are the normal classes, but I've added a few things. One, a Janelle, wonderful, and a second Cobalt. If I could actually do this right. An Awaken Cobalt. That specific Cobalt is flawed during my first testing. There's also a class called Artificer. So I'm going to go over and show you how to do things of that nature. First off, I'm going to send an email to myself. Ba-bing! I sent an email. What you're going to do is when I send you this email, you're going to hit download. Then you're going to go over to your drive. Now this has to be the same drive that you have your account or your application on. If you have it, say, on a different one, it's not going to show up properly. I sent it to this one, and there it is. But it doesn't allow me to download it for the application since the application is on this email. So on this email, you can see that I now have Cobalt Awaken. Now that it is in your drive, go to your application, go to Custom Data. We're going to go to Import. You can see all the ones that I currently already have downloaded. Go to where you have put it. I apparently forgot to stick it in the right folder. Alright, select. And wait for it to download. Now that it is downloaded, let's make that character. So we wanted a Cobalt Awaken. The one without parentheses. And I also made an Awaken class feature. So, and then we're just going to do custom, so that way I know what's going on. Do everything appropriate. Alright. Now, normal Cobalt gives you a -2 to your strength and a +2 dex. And I hate anything that gives you a minus to your abilities without giving you additional awesomeness. So let's just put our strength to 14, dex of 14, constitution of 14, because I'm going to make a artificer, barbarian, and whatnot, and then just stick things in wisdom. Cool. Wonderful. That doesn't really matter. Next. Select your appropriate things. You'll notice now I can pick a feat. The Awaken Cobalt, or the Cobalt Awaken, since this is the Awaken Series, that's what I've named it after, gets a free feat. Since that -2 strength, I'm giving you a free feat to pick from. So, let's go with Crossbow Expert. Next. Bam. Wonderful. My name is Mythos. It's a cheat code for those people who didn't catch on. And so now you can see that my strength has gone down from 14, my dex has gone up, and my constitution stays the same. I have made it so that way it still says the same things as a normal Cobalt. So, as a Cobalt, you get 60 feet dark vision and allies and disadvantage while in sunlight, but I made a slight change where I said -5 to attacks instead of just disadvantage. It's effectively the same mechanic, just less punishing. And then you've got your feat that it has already added in. And these things down below are because I chose Awaken as part of my testing. Alright, well, thank you, and I hope you enjoy.